I think we have a fun video planned for today. We got both the Banshees out, the field's wet, the grass is tall, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun. So stay tuned for a lot of sideways sliding and a lot of grass slinging, because that's basically what this is gonna be. Neither one of these are ridden very much, so they both need to be blown out a little bit. I don't even know if they put fresh plugs in them or anything like that. One seems like it's kind of popping and cracking a little bit. This yellow one we haven't ridden in over a year. The first time. They look so nice right now.
Let's keep some distance on that one.
Yeah, right. You're so right.
It's got a good, like 15, 20 foot roll.
Yeah. All right, so the black and white one you can get right up to with the camera and look at really close, and it looks pretty. They both look beautiful from here. The yellow one, the closer you get, you start to notice little things like the ripped seat cover, the bald front tires, the engine side covers with the paint worn off. Minor stuff.
Oh yeah.
This one's just so pretty.
Do you notice from having the chainsaw get like chewed up the swing arm?
Oh yeah, and the carrier bearings are pretty much shot in the yellow one.
Yeah.
This in the swing arm. But all minor stuff.
Doesn't matter.
So, all right. So what are we gonna do here?
We're gonna just, I don't know, ride them. Do some racing. Nice wet field. It should be fun.
One
that
thing.
One's gonna be a little scary in the.
This right here, obviously, thumb throttle.
Yeah, that's.
This is the biggie here on these two. Twist throttle definitely makes for a fun ride. But all right, well, let's just go ahead and get started and do a couple laps and see what happens.
Is it recording?
Yep.
Alrighty. Twist throttle, so nice!
Not sure why that one's popping. I think it might be something as simple as either the carb's a little dirty or the plug's fouled. Like I said, it's been sitting for a year, more than a year. Oh, I know Nick's not going to be happy about that because the yellow one's technically faster. We're going to try this drag race again. These things do a number on the grass. I think they've only done like a couple laps. Not much of a jump, more just a little bump in the yard. Alright, so for half that video my phone camera was on the wrong setting, but whatever.
That sucks.
What's the verdict though?
I mean, obviously, you can ride this one faster because all the suspension upgrades and the front tires actually have being like brand new. But I can't say which one's actually faster.
I think personally the twist throttle makes the one feel faster. It's something about the twist throttle makes it seem faster.
I don't know. I mean, okay. Because sometimes I would get them. I think honestly, like, it really just depended on the launch.
Huh.
And it's just so slippery.
What do you think?
I think they're like the same. I feel like this one has, I don't know, I just feel like that one has more power.
So a couple of things.
That has more bottom end.
Pro circuit pipe.
That has
FMS plate.
I'm sorry, what am I saying? FMF pipe. Pro circuit pipe. Stock suspension. Aftermarket suspension.
Look at these tires. They're performance tires. Right
Completely bald tires versus brand new tires. Well, let me think of what else. Back tires. These are great, but not
Decent.
brand new. Like these ones are much deeper tread. I'm pretty sure this one has a bigger back sprocket. This one has probably the stock back sprocket. What
Do they have
else?
different sprockets?
I don't know.
I know that one has like some brake upgrades.
What else?
And
I'm trying to think.
I know this one has.
This one looks like it might have a rad valve or something because the reed cage looks a little bit
Or it
different.
at least has a spacer.
Maybe it's just a spacer.
But this one does have a company name engraved on the cylinder.
Oh, yeah, and the black one has the aftermarket, like cheaper cylinders, not the OEM cylinders.
But somewhere on this one, it's up under the pipe there.
Let me see.
You can kind of see it good from the top.
Oh yeah, it says NES or no? What's it say?
Harness.
Oh yeah, it
racing.
says someone engraved harness racing on the cylinder. So I'm assuming somebody ported the cylinders at some point in time.
Because they definitely sound a lot different.
They do.
This one sounds like it has some work done to it. You know, that popping, was you think that could have been from the gas?
It could because we did just
that
put,
was more high RPM. It was probably just lean.
and we just put 87 octane. Considering gas high test is 580 a gallon this morning. I'm pretty sure it was.
Yep.
So.
Could have been from that. It was still running fine.
Well, there you have it. 2 Banshees ripping around a wet field. Hopefully it was fun to watch because it was fun to shoot it, right?
Oh, yeah.
fun to ride them.
Mhm.
So thanks for watching.